okendera okutendekwa kw'abeegi oku abw'ishomero rya Ntale School abwasiniye kubanza n'eyakataano omugenyi mukuru yaba Minisita Mbarara City. Emikoro yakorerwa omu kishaayi ky'ishomero eri aho mu rurembo rwa Mbarara.
Training senior 1s and senior 5s today. The other time we trained the rest of the classes. So if you are a parent in senior 1 and senior 5, you consider the rest of the school to have passed through this already.
But my recommendation as the team leader is that these people are set and testified by what they have demonstrated. They deserve to be passed out and to go home.
I'm happy that the instructors have put emphasis on discipline. Now that we have disciplined students of senior 1 and senior 5, go and be the ambassadors of those students who will join you next time.
Okutendeka oku kwebembirwemu ihe rya UPDF obakwatanise n'aba patriotism kuruga omu office ya president.
Whether you're from Sudan or Rwanda, but you belong here, you're Uganda, so you must defend Uganda. You must defend the interest of Uganda.
Respect your teachers, respect your parents, respect the elders, and you shall live longer. Another value is to be God-fearing.
The patrons, our patron, our father of the patrons is General 7. But we have a new younger chairman of patrons. His name is General. General who? You have said it, I did say it, but that is a fact. It's General who? I'm happy you know what you want. But for now, let us all ask our parents to support the president. The president is still able to do whatever he's doing, so your parents should stand with the president. As long as he can stand with us, as long as he can do good things, let us be by his side. And when he retires, we have a standby. We have a standby. General 7!
Awa TV West, Ndisenyomo Gideon, aho muri Mbarara.